Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Pondy Oxide. So I took this position somewhere here on 8th of September. I was actually waiting for this resistance which was created on 1st of September to break. So somewhere around 8th of September the resistance was broken and I entered into this stock. I entered into this stock and I entered in my two accounts 174 quantities I took in one account and somewhere around 70 quantities I took in my another account. Let me show you somewhere here, like on 13th this resistance came. So somewhere around half I exited in somewhere around 74 quantities I exited here yesterday, and somewhere around 35 quantities I exited in this account, the other account. The reason was because there was a bull run happening and the markets were right on the edge, and this resistance was created by this candle, and again this candle tried to go up, but again the long wick suggested that it is facing some resistance. However, Pondy Oxide has been bullish for some time now, and this is the reason I exited half of my quantities. Um, if this stock go below 20 moving average, I'll exit all my positions. Let me show you my accounts right now. So this was one account. It was somewhere around 174 quantities. So I exited somewhere around 74 quantities. So right now this is 30,000 and still going. I exited 28,000 rupees somewhere yesterday, and in the other account, just a second. The other account I actually exited somewhere around the other account I exited somewhere around 35 quantities, which was somewhere around 10,000 rupees. So this is it, guys. Wanted to update you regarding this position. I already a few days back I actually put information about Pondy Oxide before that also. So thank you guys.